Not just a step forward, a leap into what's next.
The enhanced Bachelor of Business curriculum focuses on tech fluency, interdisciplinary training, communication skills, industry experience, and global exposure.
Data, AI, blockchain, not buzzwords. Your new business toolkit.
You stand on both sides of the interview table.
Let's talk about how you can pitch your story better.
From classrooms to corporations, you don't just learn, you apply. More than one major, more than one destination. Interdisciplinary thinking is knowing where to connect. Agility is knowing how to adapt. Together, they create thinkers built for what's next.
You arrive with potential. At BBus, you gain purpose. Now go forth, lead with impact.